Hello dear students, after a small gap we are continuing with the problem solving section from NCERT 2023-24 syllabus. So physics, first chapter is electrostatic charges and fields. So here we are moving through the questions from those chapters. So first number 112. Here two insulated copper spheres A and B have their centers separated by a distance of 50 centimeters. So we have two copper spheres, let it be this one and this one, A and B. They are separated by a distance of 50 centimeters. So the separation between them is taken as 50 centimeters. What is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion if the charge on each is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb? That means the value of QA and QB both are same, 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. The radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separation. So there is no need to consider the radii of these two spheres A and B. The separation between the two charges is taken as 50 centimeters. So you have to convert that into meters. That is 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. So from this you can apply the Coulomb's law. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QA into QB by R square. You know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, which is equivalent to 9 into 10 to the power 9. So in SI unit it is 9 into 10 to the power 9. The value of QA is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. QB is also 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 by separation 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square is there. So this is the method through which you can substitute those values, and the answer is, you just multiply these things. So when you multiply this you will get the answer 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2 newtons. 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 is there, which both are same, so you can just put square of these terms. So 9 into, if you want, 9 into 10 to the power 9, 6.5 into 6.5, that is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 square by 50 whose square is 2500 10 to the power minus 4. So when you do this, so you will get 9 into 10 to the power 9, 65 into 65 is 4225. So 6.5 means 42.25. Square of 6.5 is 42.25, 10 to the power minus 14 by 2500 10 to the power minus 4. So when you solve this, 10 to the power minus 4 when move into the numerator, it is 10 to the power plus 4. So after calculating after solving those values, you will get the answer 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2 newtons. So force will be 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2 newton. Okay. So this is the force acting between these two charges when they are separated by a distance 50 centimeters, and the charges are 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Now there is a second part for this question. So this is our first part. Now there is a second part. What is the force of repulsion if each sphere is charged double the above amount and the distance between them is halved? Here you have to find the new force. Two things they have provided, that is, both charges are doubled. That means new charge QA dash is equal to 2 times QA. QA dash is equal to 2 times QA. qb dash is also equal to 2 times qb. And the distance between them is halved, that means r dash is equal to r by 2. R dash is equal to r by 2. Now when you substitute in Coulomb's equation, f dash is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qa dash into qb dash by r dash the square. So this is the new force, that is after doubling the charges and after reducing the distance separation by 2. Okay. So now substitute for qa dash and qb dash. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9, or before writing in such manner you just write itself 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qa dash is equal to 2 times qa, qb dash is equal to 2 times qb, and r dash is equal to r by 2 the whole square. So when you substitute this, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 f dash is equal to 2 into 2 is there in the numerator, so it is 4 qa qb divided by r by 2 the whole square, which means r square by 4. This 4 in the denominator move into the numerator, that is which is denominator of denominator. 4 is in the denominator of denominator, so you can take into the numerator. So it will be like this: 4 into 4, this 4 and this 4, 4 into 4, and the remaining terms look at this remaining terms, which is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 qa qb by r square. That means this is the old force. So 4 into 4 is 16 times the previous force. The previous force value that we have already found here, so you can substitute that value over here. So f dash is equal to 16 times 1.52 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. So 16 times 1.52 times 10 to the power minus 2 Newton, that is 16 into 1.52, it will be around 24.32 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. So this is a force after doubling the charges and reducing the distance by half. Thank you.